Today we're going to be making lamb loin chops. We're going to marinate them in some garlic, rosemary, thyme, and oregano, and then cook them to a perfect medium rare in the cast iron skillet. My name is Rich. This is RACZ Barbecue and Grill. Let's get cooking. Okay, before I started this recording, I'd already marinated the lamb chops. I first started seasoning with some salt and pepper, and then followed it up with the rest of the ingredients for the marinade. What I did was I took a half a cup of oil and about a tablespoon of fresh parsley, fresh oregano, and fresh thyme. Chopped those all up, as well as minced up about 6 cloves of garlic and mixed that up into the oil as well. Put the chops into a bag, poured the mixture over top of them, sealed it up, and I let it sit in the refrigerator for 3 hours. So they're out now, and we'll get them into the cast iron skillet and these things cooking. All right, so I have 2 tablespoons of oil in the cast iron pan. This thing is ripping hot right now, so we're ready to get these chops in. Listen to that sizzle. It's one of my favorite sounds. We're going to do about 3 minutes per side. Check the temperature. We're shooting for 130, 135 degrees to get that nice medium rare. Okay, we're about 3 minutes in. We're going to flip these over to the other side. That's what we're talking about, that beautiful crush. Turn the heat down. So about another 3 minutes, but this time while we're waiting, we're going to add the butter and the garlic into the pan. 6 cloves of garlic just crushed. Gonna tip the pan off to the side a little bit, and we're gonna start basting. We'll add a lot of extra flavor to these chops. We're also gonna try and sear the sides all the way around. Okay, check our temperature. We are right about 130. These are done. Okay, we're gonna let these chops rest for about 5 minutes before we slice into them. Meanwhile, I've got a second batch going here. My pan wasn't big enough for the whole bag. So by the time these are done, these will be ready to go, and we'll show you the end result. Okay, the lamb chops are done, and these things are gorgeous. Got a nice crust on them. Let's cut them open and take a look at them, see how we did. There we go. That looks like a perfect medium rare to me. Lamb is delicious. I love this stuff. Alright, I'm going to show you how I like to plate this stuff up. So when I plate up these chops, I usually use either mashed potatoes or rice. Today I am doing a herb and butter rice. Just to pretty it up, we'll sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley. And that's it, guys. Quick and simple. Lamb chops are not hard to make at all. It's just the same way as making a steak. Once again, thanks for stopping by. If you liked the video, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'd appreciate it. As always, recipe for this and every video that I put out will be in the description below on my website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.